Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all new videos, and don't forget to like and share my video. Today's cue card is: describe a successful person who you once studied or worked with. Points need to cover in this cue card are: who this person is, when you studied or worked with this person, what you did together, what this person did to become successful, and explain how you felt about studying or working with this person. Vocabulary which is used in this cue card is: first word is tremendous. It means very large or great. Primarily, mainly, thick and thin, under all circumstances, no matter how difficult. Without a hitch, easily. Tenacity, very determined and do not give up easily. Magnanimous, kind, generous and forgiving. Vicinity area, thought-provoking, causing people to think seriously about something. Reinforce, to make something stronger. Perseverance, continued effort to do or achieve something. Idioms which are used in this cue card: at a stone's throw away, it means very close. Birds of a feather flocks together, it means people who have similar characters or interests. Let's start the cue card. Well, in this modernized world, everyone desires to become an accomplished person. Although many people with whom I have studied or worked have achieved tremendous success in their lives. One of them is special, therefore worth mentioning. She is none other than my bosom friend Shweta. She is a dedicated teacher who has had a successful career in education. She lives in my vicinity and her house is at a stone's throw away from my home. We have been friends since childhood. We were classmates and study buddies during elementary education. Our class teacher used to say birds of a feather flocks together to us. I sorted up language subjects with her, primarily English, as she had immense knowledge about grammar and literature. We always supported each other through thick and thin of our academic journey. She was always willing to help me to understand challenging teaching concepts and classroom management techniques. Shweta's success as a teacher can be attributed to her unwavering dedication to her profession. She has a passion for teaching that shines in her work. She consistently goes above and beyond to create engaging and effective lesson plans. She can memorize difficult content without a hitch. By introducing her on tricks and games, which is thought-provoking part of her abilities. Moreover, she is also an avid learner, constantly seeking new teaching methods and staying updated with the latest educational trends. This dedication has earned her recognition and respect among her colleagues and students. Studying with her was an enriching experience. Due to her consistent boatload of energy, I could study with full determination and tenacity. Literally, she has magnanimous personality. Witnessing her journey from primary school to becoming successful teacher has been incredibly motivating and reinforced my belief in the power of dedication and ambition. I feel fortunate to have had Shweta as a friend.